it just was opening me up to my true self and my spirit. I had always been there from birth. So I had first listened to reggae when I was like 16. Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Horace Andy, Judy Mowat, those in particular. But then we know later on down the line when I'm talking about this time in life, um, that was when I just really resonated with it so deep, and started really studying not only the music but also understanding the roots and culture of Mama Africa and how we all come from that. And then even going back into my own roots because I have mostly Irish and Native American roots, and understanding the connection between even that and Africa,
Yes.
and of course Jamaica and Ireland when you learn like the deep connection with those places in particular, like how Irish people were sent to Jamaica as what they called indentured, what they call it, like indentured
Slave
workers or some
servants.